Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Chihiro from Spirited Away. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. Now with my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. And lines at the bottom. There. So for my eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just flick out some curves for some lashes. Just nice and simple. Same thing over here. Just some curves and another curve. Then from there, I'm going to come to the top about right here and just draw a soft curve over her eye for her brow. And same thing on the other side. It's a soft curve. There. And let's give Chihiro a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a slight curve going up and cap it off. From there, let's go ahead. We're going to start to frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye, come out really close to these lashes. And I'll give myself a point. And same thing here. And basically, I'm going to get really close because she has a strand of hair. So I'm going to come about right here, come down. And come down, strand her hair on the side of her face. Then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and start the bottom of my U. And I'll find my center about right here and give myself a point, kind of like where I want her chin to be. And I'll just use that point as my guide. Come down and same thing over here. I've created her face right there at the bottom. Then from there, we need to draw her, let's see here, draw the strand. So I'm just going to bring it down to about right here, not too low, because I know kind of her shoulder is about right here. So I'll bring it up. And about right here, I'm going to pop in an ear. And same thing here. And then from there, pop in the ear, just like the other side. And let's go ahead and draw her bangs. So I'm going to go up about right here, and they're going to be kind of over her brow. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and start with some strands. I'm just going to go back and forth. Maybe one here, another one, and then maybe towards the center. We're going to go up a little bit more. And then come down about right here, go back. So I'm just trying to change it up a little bit, back and forth. And one more here, and then just continue and connect. There. Then you can come back, draw more details. There. Okay, so then we need to go ahead and we're going to just pop this out a little bit and then draw the top of her head. So let's bring it up towards the center, nice and high about right there. And come right back down. There. So I got finished her top of her head. Pop this out a little bit more, just like the other side. Okay, so then from there, let's see here. We need to draw her little ponytail. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'll just pop out a curve. Pop it out, bring it down, and about right here, I'll just kind of flare it out and start putting in some strands. And they're probably the same length as this strand of hair. So I'll just kind of zigzag back and forth into this area right there, and now I'll just kind of finish it off with another zigzag in this space. It's a very important strand. Ponytail. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her body. So we're going to come into the center, give her a little neck, and bring down her shoulders. And same thing here. There. Then let's see, we're going to give her this V-neck. So we come right here and thicken this up. And then let's come back to about right here, kind of like where her armpits would be. And here. And we're going to draw this line coming down. So I'll just give it a slight wobble as I come down right here. Kind of comes in a little bit and then out. And her shirt is pretty long, so I'm going to keep bringing this down. See about right there. And I'll just go ahead and connect it with a slight wobble. There. And then let's come to the center for her shorts. So right here, so I'm just going to draw 2 angle lines. Since her shirt's really long, so you only see a little bit of her shorts, come right here and just kind of wobble a little bit. So same thing here. There, for her shorts. Then her legs. So I'm going to come right about here and here. Let's work on this side first. And I'm going to make them straight, but as we come straight, we're going to say about right here and here. We're bringing it in, and then let's imagine this is kind of like where her knee is. We're going to come in and then out. In and out. Just to give her legs a little bit more definition, and then we're going to come back in. There. If you're not comfortable doing that, of course you can just go ahead and just angle straight down. So about right here, I'm going to bring it in towards her ankle. So a little bit thinner. Then we're going to cut it off with her socks. So I'm going to draw in some thick socks for the cuff. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put in these simple shoes. Round it off and connect. Then right here, curve, another curve, and then 2 curves right here and laces. So same thing on this side. Just going to follow the other side. So right here, we're going to come in and then out. And same thing here. In and then out. So it's just very, very slight. There. So hopefully I'm helping you draw legs. And once again, the cuffs on her socks. And the shoes. There. Okay, so finally done. And then let's, with the legs, let's come back to draw her arms. So I'm going to bring this sleeve down. It's kind of like 3/4. No, well, actually not 3/4, half. So they're pretty long. So I'm going to bring it down to about right here and cut it off. And then let's draw her hands. So about right here, I'm just going to come in really close to her shirt. And come about right here where her shorts are. And draw a thumb. Go around for the fingers. Bring it in for the hand. And then we're just going to go back. to finish her hands. So same thing on this side. And give it a little wobble. I should give it a little bit of wobble here, just to give it some movement. And once again, connect. And once again, the arms are really close to her body. And so once again, thumb, round it off for the fingers. And bring it in, and then just connect. There. And then for some details on the top, we're going to come about right here and cut it off for some color. Bring this up a little bit more, give it a little crease. So same thing here and here. And then there's a band of color here and here. There. And let's see if I'm missing anything. That is pretty much it. I'll give Chihiro here a little heart to make her my just so cute Chihiro from Spirited Away, one of my favorite animes. Thank you so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.